when in one AP, two terms and with respect to that two numbers are given. So another method we are going to find out. The statement is like this way: the 10th term and 20th term of an AP are 73 and 143. Means 10th term is 73, therefore n is equal to 10, and 20th term is 143, means n is equal to 20. So find out first term, the common difference, and the 30 term of an AP. So today we are not going to apply application of linear equation, but D, that is common difference, is equal to am minus an upon m minus n, where m greater than n. So we are taking that value am, that is 20. So 143 minus 73 upon 20 minus 10. So 143 minus 73 is equal to 70, and 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 0, 0 cancel out, that is 7. Now calculation for A. So here we have an plus an is equal to a plus bracket n minus 1 bracket over into d. So here you have two choices. Either you use an is equal to 73, that n is equal to 20, and a20 is equal to 143, n is equal to 20. So I am using a10 is equal to 73. So instead of that, 73 is equal to a plus n is equal to 10 minus 1, and d is 7. So 73 is equal to a plus 9 into 7, 9 7 is 63. 73 minus 63 according to application of linear equation is equal to a. So a is equal to 10. Now a is equal to 10, d is equal to 7, and we have to find out 30 terms. So n is equal to 30. So again application of linear equation. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is a30 is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 into 7 is equal to 10 plus 29 into 7. 29 into 7, 203 plus 10, that is 213. So 30 term of AP is 230. Second question. Now sometime question will be asked you, which term of an AP, that is 4, 9, 14 is 224. So here AP is 2, 9, 14 up to so on 224. So according to condition, first term, that is A is equal to 4. Common difference, that is B is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Here an is equal to, that is last term, is equal to 224, and n is equal to question marks. So out of 4 variables, 3 variable is given, formula is ready. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2 to 4 is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into 5. So 2 to 4 minus 4, application of linear equation, if we transpose the side, then plus become minus, is equal to 5 into bracket n minus 1. That is 220 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. We have to do cancellation, that is 44 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 45. So in AP, 25th term is 224. Now we are going to study about problem sum in AP. So how this problem sum? By example. To clear a debt, Ajay has to pay ₹100 in the first monthly installment, ₹150 in the second monthly installment, and onwards he has to pay in each month installment ₹50 more than what he paid in the previous installment. He has to pay 24 monthly installment in all. What amount will he pay in 24 24th installment. This is the statement. So according to statement, AP is first installment is 100, second installment is 150, and third installment is 200 because of in each installment 50 rupees is added. So first term, that is A is equal to rupees 100, common difference, that is D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 150 minus 100 is equal to rupees 50. The nth term, that is N is equal to 24 and A24 is equal to question mark. So this is again application of linear equation. Here AP is not given, so with the help of statement we have to form an AP. Now N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is equal to 100 plus N is equal to 24 because of in 24th installment how much amount is paid, that is 24 minus 1 into 50, that is 100 plus 23 into 50. So 100 plus 1150, that is 1250. So rupees 1250 will be paid in 24th installment. That is known as A24 is equal to rupees 1250. So thank you for watching this video.